Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my channel as Ishal Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. Sending you love all the way from India. February 2021 energy, okay? I'm trying my level best to have individual readings. If I don't, then I do it like alternate basis, of course. But I did Virgo, okay? Just before your Aquarius reading. So I want to say that if you want to cross watch, because I'm picking the sun for you guys, okay? And there also it came through. So if there is a cross watcher or you are connecting with certain energy, you may cross watch. Okay, so let's start. Follow me on Instagram if I'm repeating it, sorry. But Feb 2021. Okay, I have this energy of like a major move here. There's one card on my platter, which is Chariot. Okay, and this may be Cancerian in your life, you're dealing or dealt, or a Virgo here. I have this feeling of like it's a big move in your life. This is about, for many of you, it is about possible shift that is happening. Small shifts, but happening. Possible for some cases, it's a travel. Also, this is, I do feel it is about decision of a love matter. Because we're talking about twin flame soulmates, and I do feel this is the call of the sun, like blessing of sun, blessing of God, like blessing of Ra, okay? If I'm not wrong, if it is something wrong, then don't get offended. But I feel that kind of energy around you. There is a big move. This is about decision. It is about your next thing. It's about, I feel like there's going to be, how we can put that, there's going to be collision, which is good, but there's going to be collision of dreams and desires of two people. Whoosh. Okay, I don't know how it will go, but I feel like two forces, two energies, yin and yang, lovers, if you're talking about someone opposite, they are coming along to be part of your life, or you are. And if it's going to happen, it's going to be mutual. There is something that I see of a move. Okay, move is good in your life because of the sun energy. This is telling me there's a birth of a new relationship, birth of job, a birth of you as an individual as well. But I feel for many of you, Feb is about something that's going to take birth in your life. And I do get this, that it is going to be both of your move. It is about both of you coming together with your own individual desires. This may be with a Leo, this may be with a Cancerian, this may be with the Seven of Cups, why with the water sign. Not exactly we're going to see in the cards, but I do get this message very heavy that you people are like going to make a move. So when I'm saying this, you may expect proposal, guys. Even people who are totally single here, expectation is high, near to 99% that you're going to be proposed by someone. Okay, you may do it, but I do feel these readings are general, guys, vice versa, but I get this message of like there's someone who's going to propose you, and this proposal is coming from deep within. It's not going to be very light. Okay, your relationship is very fragile here, but you really need to pull up the forces, because I see like two energies with different mindsets. They're coming together, but they acknowledge one another and they do belong to one another. So that kind of energy is coming. Okay, there's someone possible of a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, not necessary. With a Leo, there's a Leo. Sorry, guys. There's with the strength, there's a Leo. I'm sorry, but there's a pickup energy. Okay, I see a bond, and I feel like someone is in, not exactly, not in a negative way, but someone is in control, kind of like they're controlling themselves and they are in your control, kind of. And I'm not saying that sit, no. This is something of like they want to pursue something with you. Okay, with the Hierophant, there is someone who's very serious. This may be a Taurus, but I feel there is someone who is coming up with an offer and they're very sincere towards this approach. I'm definitely sure about this. With the Knight of Cups energy, this offer is going to be very serious and sincere, as square that I say. Knight of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean energy. And I feel there's going to be birth. Offer. There's offer. Beautiful offer I see. I cannot even exaggerate on that point, but for some of you, it is going to be, it's going to unleash in your life, and it's going to be very gorgeous. Let's see what's in cards Feb for Aquarius. There's message coming as though, believe me, but there's going to be the highest power of the sun in your life. Okay, like I feel I'm not an astrologer, but if you're interested, you can listen to. I think in the last days of January, Mercury went retrograde. Okay, so I feel like someone from past returned. Kind of energy. It's going to be push and pull, or was a little bit, but you had the communication ultimately. I also see they're looking forward to meet you. Okay, with the sun energy, this person and you both, you people are hopeful about that. Okay, someone does want to manifest something, and with the temperance, obviously balancing out things. Okay, let's see first where you're coming from. So you're coming from 9 of Cups energy, 5 of Cups energy, and 10 of Wands energy. Okay, I said where you are coming from. So I feel like this is something that you wanted or desired, or they wanted or desired, but it turned out to be little disappointing when time, you know, was crossing both of your life, and it kind of like it became draggy. Okay, so basically I feel that you ended things. It was like no more drag here. Okay, but in your now energy, there's 5 of Wands energy, 6 of Swords, and the Unknown card. Okay, which is very interesting. Just look at the cards first. 5 of Wands, 6 of Swords, and the Unknown card, which to me is very mysterious card, because you don't know what is going to happen. Okay, about this situation, something that you ended is taking a different route here. Now here, in your now, 5 of Wands, 6 of Swords, the Unknown card, I feel like it was very challenge. It was very much challenging for you to let go. Okay, and then you moved on. So in simple words, you moved on from something that was yet to, like, wasn't the need to discover. What is with this Unknown card? Judgment. Okay, in your now, there's going to be appearance, reappear. With the Unknown card, Judgment call is coming, which is about the second, third, how many chances, I don't know about your life, but there's going to be some sort of announcement. There's going to be something that's going to be brought to you. Something that you ended, something that you were not dragging. Reason might be many, but there is a strong connection of 9 of Cups. Okay, that is coming from your past energy. And for me, there is the overall energy for Feb is Sun. This is hope. This is a reunion kind of energy, whether you have 2 of Cups or not, but it is something. Especially with the Unknown card and then Judgment, this kind of giving me the vibe of something that you ended. You were not dragging. It is coming on track. Let's see in your future call, a future wave. Okay, so you have 9 of Swords, Queen of Wands, 3 of Pentacles. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius vibe. Maybe falling in your chart or their chart, apart from the signs I gave you. And 3 of Pentacles. This I see a move. This is a collaboration card. Okay, 3 of Pentacles. Someone is looking out for you, and I do feel that they want to put an effort. So if it is from both the sides, yours and theirs, it's going to work out. Okay. Okay, with the 9 of Swords, there is this anxiety connected with this person, but I also see that there is a next flight here. Especially with the Sun, be hopeful about that this is going to turn around. With the Judgment card, something is returning, or they want to return. But you had those arguments with this person, and you really don't want to repeat that. Okay, let's see what's beyond. With the Hanged Man, the situation is going to be lingering on. Okay, to me, it is about, it's going to stay around you. With the Sun card, there's hope connected with this person, with this energy. There's this, we never saw the bottom energy, guys, but you have water sign. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean, okay? And there might be choice within, between Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, and King of Cups energy, and you really don't know what to do. Maybe it is falling in someone's chart, okay? Like both the signs, it does happen. So if you know your full natal chart, then go for that. Otherwise, just go with the message, okay? I always say that. There is something that is really inside, very much like of a secrecy here, but there is a lot of hope connected. If this is about this person, then they really want to take things further. Okay, let's see what is this person, if you're dealing right now with, what do they want from you? Please give us a message. for Feb. Nine of Wands. There is someone who is not giving up. There is someone who is still seeing the potential. But there are doubts between you both because of certain matters that might have happened in your past energies. But with the Nine of Wands energy, what does this person want? We still need one connecting card, but it fell on the Hanged Man. So there is some situation which is still not resolved, karmically connected. You people are connected, especially your first card was the Chariot, and your second card that came through while we started the reading was Nine of Cups energy. So let's see, what is with this Nine of Wands energy? Devil, bounce back energy. Devil, someone who is attracted to you. Devil, good, bad, it depends. But there is something who is, could be a Capricorn, but something or someone who is looking at you. I also see like kind of music that they're going to play, which is about to return to the place, okay? Yeah, they are attracted to you. Five of Pentacles, someone who did hurt you. They broke your heart in one or the other way. They left you when you needed them, or however it goes. It is a lost opportunity possible, but they really want to bounce back. Why there is a Five of Pentacles energy? The Empress. Because you might be their part. For a very long time, you might be mother to their child, if that goes, because of the Empress. Or maybe they know that what they lost. So there is this fear of losing something, but with the Empress, they do consider you very important. Okay, what might be in their heart? I asked that inside my heart. What might be in their heart? And you got Ten of Pentacles. This is something that they want with you. They want stability. They want to stabilize things with you. This is about commitment, solid, okay? And why they couldn't do if they never talked to you in this time frame, if that was the case. Because of this fear of rejection, but they had this Two of Cups because they love you, because they want to reunite with you. So some of you are going to go in for that. The Sun is calling you. Now, why they couldn't do? Because they love you. Simple as that, okay? They want this Two of Cups energy. They really want to share these feelings with you. Okay, so let's talk a little bit from Rider. What are the messages for you in the month of Feb? Especially, yeah, Four of Wands energy. It is about relationship. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. I am picking the word trajectory. I don't know how it is going for you. You can focus for yourself. Recording 10, 13, 13. Wheel of Fortune is coming reversed here. Now, it is something of a call of like, there's going to be a little bit of reverse gear to situation before you proceed with anything. So there's going to be judgment. There's going to be something that will be brought to you. There's going to be a little bit of reverse, something that was delayed, but it is like here. Why? Because it's not resolved. This may be with a Taurus, Scorpio, Aquarius, Leo also, but there is bottom energy of Ace of Cups. Something will be brought to you by, okay? How we take it as, let's see. Something that was not fortunate enough in that time frame, I see. Please give us the cards. What is coming for Aquarius? 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 There is Queen of Cups energy, male or female, doesn't matter, but this is the vibe. Cancer, Scorpio, Piscean. Someone is regretting something here because it's going to be reversed something, but also they're looking at their to their trophy, basically trophy, whatever they're holding, whatever those feelings are for you, okay? So I do feel that kind of energy, especially. There's a water sign in your reading, obviously, and you have Three of Pentacles energy, okay? I feel they, oh my god, with the Emperor, Aries, with the Sun, Leo, these two cards are also coming, and the Sun we talked about, and Sun is the confirmation of stabilizing something. This person is coming around to stabilize things with you. Three of Pentacles is the vibe of let's work it together. Two of Pentacles is going to be your situation, possibly between two energies. Sorry for that. But with this, there's going to be birth. There's going to be new relationship, or there's going to be relationship connected with the Judgment. Two of Cups energy, Devil, the bounce back. Okay. Two of Pentacles energy. It's telling me that there's going to be phase when you will have to prioritize, when you will have to choose something. There is this relationship possible coming. The Hierophant with a Taurus, but with the Hierophant, there is something connected with the sincere matter that's going to be brought to you. Whoa. Okay, expect communication, guys. There was, oh yeah, Eight of Wands energy, forward momentum. We can talk it as, yeah, forward movement, forward momentum, basically. A lot of communication, possible your trip, possible your decision, meeting, someone wanting it. Things are looking up, I feel that. Page of Swords energy, you're going to have communication with certain someone who walked away, or you walked away. You were detached, okay? Especially with the Chariot is also coming here. But I feel this may be something that you took stand for yourself, but it's messages coming from someone. Okay. Five of Pentacles. It is coming from something that you never expected, or you lost contact, or you never want. Could be with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, or someone who doesn't want to talk things out and stabilize things with you. With the Lovers, Gemini, but with the Lovers, there's a love coming in your life. Definitely some lover is coming. There's going to be a same moment in your life, and it is about your Nine of Swords, which is going to release, especially with the Magician here. Someone does want to manifest things, or you're doing some things in order to remove this, okay? But with this, Lovers, I had this query connected with the Magician, Aquarians, and I do feel that this Magician is coming to resolve matter with you. There's going to be a same moment. Yes, someone is coming in your life. Let's see. Please give us something in romance. Past life relationship. For some cases, February, Feb. Please give us the energy. Proposal for some cases, true love. If you want it, it's here. Some of you want it. It's going to be. Please give us the flips. With the power of the elements, air, water, earth, and fire, souls and spirits. I said souls and spirits. Romantic feelings. And your feelings are real and worth exploring. Keep an open mind. There's someone who's coming around, guys. And they're going to be like, they're going to listen to you. And you're going to listen to them. It's from both the sides. So, your soulmate may differ from your usual type and expectations. Wedding. This is going to be Hierophant energy, which is about someone who is very sincere and serious about you. Esquire. Now, this is it safe? I mean, it is safe for you to love. I always read it as, I don't know why is it safe for you to love, but it is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. There's someone who's coming around. This situation involves marriage, guys. Okay? And it's going to be good. Things are going to take a different route in your life, definitely. How much I can say is like, sun is coming, sun is entering in your life, and which is good. Romantic feeling, someone does have that feeling. Okay, let's see a little peep in your future. Oh, religious factors, and you deserve love. But bottom energy, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. Okay, but you deserve love. So you're lovable. Someone is coming around the corner, focusing on you because they love you, because they want to love you. There are religious factors between you. People from, like, keep an open mind from different scenario, you know, and you don't expect that, but it's coming around the corner. Your love life is influenced by religious upbringing and spiritual path. This is also the matter that how much you love, how you're brought up, and what you believe, what you don't believe, okay? That depends. This is a very mysterious card for me. I don't know why. Religious factor is something that you're taking care of, you're like this. So it is about self-respect, and they're coming around, okay? Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.